But he tells him, don't worry, I'm with you. You go. So you see, he has to be convinced about God. And then it does happen, he goes. But you will see him always tottering, not very confident. Then he will tell him, okay, I'll give you your brother Aaron, I'll give you your sister Miriam, they will help you. So this is what happens to us. Guilt very often controls us from within and we are no longer free. So what do we have to do? Yes. We have to remain open and surrendered of whatever has happened to us. To whom? To Jesus. The second reading is telling us, I thank you, Father, Lord of heaven and earth, for revealing these things to the simple, the children. Children are always very simple. They forget everything and they start again. So, an attitude of openness and of surrender. Now, if that is there, then internally we will be able to have a deeper experience of Jesus. The Father has given me everything. But what is the most important thing? The Father knows me and I know the Father. And to whoever I choose to reveal the Father, that person.